Back. In this video, we're covering the 2008 FRQ Form B, question number 6C. In a previous video, we already solved parts A and B. Please check those out if you haven't done so yet. Part A required us to find the derivative, well, really to verify the derivative provided using implicit differentiation. We are going to now use that to help us solve part C, which asks us to find the coordinates of the 2 points on the curve where the tangent line is vertical. So, quick refresher on what that means. Feel free to skip ahead to the problem solve if you'd like. But let's do a quick review. So the tangent line is vertical when your denominator equals 0 because a vertical tangent line has an undefined slope. So undefined slope is vertical. If you have a horizontal tangent line, your slope is 0. That's where you take your numerator and you set it equal to 0. But again, here we're going to take our denominator and set it equal to 0. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we have 2y cubed plus 1 equals 0. Dividing both sides by 2, we just get y cubed plus 1 equals 0. Let's subtract our 1 over, getting y cubed equals -1. Now, once we take the cube root of both sides, what are we going to get? We are going to get y equals -1. Quick reminder there, you can take the odd root of a negative number. You cannot take the even root of a negative number unless you want to deal with imaginary numbers. But here we get the real number, -1. So now let's go ahead and let's plug that back into our equation for the curve up here, and let's see what we get for x. So we would get x squared plus 2x plus -1 to the 4th power plus 4 times -1 equals 5. Simplifying all of this, we get x squared plus 2x plus, this is going to give us a +1. And then 4 times -1 is just -4, again, equals 5. So simplifying further, I'm going to get x squared plus 2x. Now I'm going to combine a couple steps here just to save space. So I'm going to do 1 minus 4 is -3. But then I'm going to set this equal to 0 because I'm identifying that I'm going to have to factor this. So I'm also going to, in the same step, kind of do -5 from both sides. So it's -8 equals 0. So basically what I did is I realized that this is a quadratic, and then I'm going to have to factor this. So now I'm going to go ahead and set up my factoring like so. And I'm going to think, okay, well, what can multiply to -8 and add to +2? This is a fundamental algebra 2 skill that I would definitely recommend refreshing on if you're not super sharp on it yet. So this would be x plus 4 and x minus 2. Then I'm going to take each set of terms here and set them equal to 0. So x plus 4 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. This one I'm subtracting 4 from both sides to get x equals -4. Here I'm adding 2 to both sides to get x equals +2. So now I have my 2 points. I have my first point, which is going to be 2 comma -1, because remember I already found my y value is -1. And then I have my second point, so and my second point, which is -4 comma -1. So just to recap, these are the 2 points on the curve where the tangent line is vertical. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.